English together.
Conversation 1.
Hi, Ben. What are you doing right now?
Hi, Angela. I am cleaning my room. It is very messy today.
Oh, no. Do you clean it every weekend?
Not always. Sometimes I am too lazy.
I understand.
How about you? What are you doing?
I am baking cookies with my sister. She loves cooking.
That sounds fun. Do you bake a lot?
Yes, we bake every Sunday. You should come next time.
Really? I'd love to. Save some cookies for me.
I will.
Conversation 2.
Hi, Jessica. How are you today?
Hi, Tom. I'm good, thanks. I am walking to the library.
Oh, are you studying for your exam?
Yes, I am. The test is next week.
Good luck. Do you study there every day?
Not every day, but I go there often. It's quiet, and I can focus.
That's nice. I am going to the gym now.
You go to the gym a lot, right?
Yes, 3 times a week.
Wow, that's great. See you later.
Conversation 3.
Hi, David. What are you doing?
Oh, hi, Sarah. I am waiting for the bus.
Are you going somewhere special?
Yes, I am going to the city center. I want to buy a new jacket.
Nice. Do you often go shopping?
Not really. I only go when I need something.
That's good. I buy too many clothes.
That happens. How often do you buy new clothes?
I buy new clothes every month.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.